Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Start by powering off your HP 13AQ laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the repair process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Typically, there are around 6 to 8 screws, so make sure to keep them organized. As you remove the screws, remember that they can vary in size, and it's vital to keep track of which screw goes where to avoid confusion during reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using the plastic spudger. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the plastic clips. After the back cover is off, locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular component fixed in place by additional screws. Again, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Now, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Always be cautious when handling internal components. Static electricity can be harmful. If you're uncomfortable with this step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is handled by experts who know what they're doing. After disconnecting the battery, take the new compatible battery and connect it to the motherboard. Ensure the connection is secure, then reposition the battery in its compartment and reinsert the screws to hold it in place. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air, as a clean environment helps maintain optimal performance. Before closing the laptop, double-check that everything is securely connected and in place. If you're not confident about handling this on your own, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service can save you time and hassle. Now, align the back cover with the laptop and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Once all screws are in place, flip the laptop over again. Power on your HP 13AQ laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. This can usually be confirmed through the battery icon in the taskbar. If there are any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery on your HP 13AQ laptop is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the operation. If you encounter any difficulties or lack the necessary tools, our services are here to assist you with no calls, no travel, making it easy and convenient for you to get your laptop running smoothly again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.